Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I do not have any subscribers yet and I really want to put the word out there. So if you guys can please hit that like button, share the videos. I do try to bring up new things and I just want this channel to be an everything channel. Whatever I come across that I can let you guys know, give you guys the information, give you guys the knowledge. I would love to do it. I have put up a lot of haul videos. I am working on doing a review video, and this is going to be actually a recipe video. Just because it's fall, for the sake of fall, I wanted to put up a pumpkin spice latte recipe for you guys. So if you guys stay tuned, check it out. This is going to be a Keurig version of the pumpkin spice latte. Just because I have a Keurig machine, it just makes it easier to get the coffee brewed. But if you guys do like to see another version of it, say boiling it in a pot, or say you want to see it in using like just a traditional coffee pot, just let me know. Just let me know what you guys want, because of course this channel is made for you guys. So please let me know and tell me what you guys think. So here we are, guys. This is my coffee station already set up. That cute little sign I got from the dollar store. So I do have all my ingredients out together. Here is my pumpkin puree. I got this from Target. And then I also have some coffee grinds. This is medium roast, also from Target. And then my two lovely canisters that I picked up actually this fall. There's my sugar there. If you haven't checked out my Target haul, please do see it. Here I also have some pumpkin pie spice, also from Target. I picked this up just to give that great enhanced taste in this pumpkin pie latte. So I'm going to take a big heap full of pumpkin puree. It's really up to you. If you want to take a little bit more, really up to you. You can customize it. That's what's great about a pumpkin spice latte. Here I'm sprinkling some pumpkin pie spice. Again, it's just sprinkling. You don't have to put too much, too little. It's really up to you. And I'm going to get some sugar in. If you want to drink this without sugar, that's really up to you. I like my stuff sweet, so I am putting in some sugar. And here is the coffee. I do have this reusable pod, which I got from Walmart. I have also seen this at the dollar store, and I've also seen it at Big Lots, so you could pick them up there, probably a little bit cheaper. This was about $5 at Walmart. Of course, you can get it cheaper, and this is great because you can reuse it. You can put as much or as little coffee as you want, and I think it's just economically better because you're saving waste and you're kind of reusing things. So I put this on the small cup setting on my Keurig, and I think it just gives it a better brew, a much stronger brew if you do it that way, but it's really up to you again. And then here I have my International Delight creamer. You can use any creamer you want. This is in French vanilla, and I'm going to go ahead and just put some in there. Give this a really good mix. And I just want to show you guys the consistency. If you're going to see the consistency, if you see how well blended it is, it doesn't really give those chunks of puree, so the puree does blend in very well. I also picked up this mini blender from Daiso. In case you guys don't know about Daiso, it is a Japanese dollar store, and I really love going there. They always have cool stuff, and this was like $2 there. And there you go. I gave it a really good mix, and I hope you guys really like this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys. Bye.